So today we're going to be focusing on adding two three-digit numbers together. So we're going to explore the problem 142 plus 179. So we're going to be using base 10 strategy today. So you have two options for this. You can either use your base 10 blocks that you were given by school to add these two numbers together, or you can make base 10 pictures by drawing them yourself to represent each number and then add them together. So I'm going to show you how I would solve this problem using both ways. So in order to use blocks to solve this problem, I would start by making the first number. So the first number is 142. So I would take a 100 block, and then I would grab my 10 sticks to represent the 40. So there's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then I would take two ones to represent the 2. So that's the number 142. Now before I can add anything together, I have to make the number 179. So I would once again take 100 blocks because I only have 100 in this number. I would now take 7 10 sticks because I have 70. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. And then I would need to represent the 9 ones. So I would count 9 ones, 2, let me get this in the frame, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So once I've created both numbers with my tools, my base 10 tools, I will add together. So I see I have 200 blocks, so that's 200. Let's count our 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ooh, so now I know I have 300 because my 10 10s make 100. All right, so 300, 310. Now I have to count my ones. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So I can make a 10 with these 10 1 cubes. So that will give me 20. And then I have 1 in my ones place. So let's write our answer out before we forget it. So I remember I have 300, 3 in my hundreds place. I have 2 in my tens place. 321 is your answer. Now, there is another way that we can solve this, and that's by drawing the base 10 representation instead of using the physical blocks. So we're going to solve again making those pictures. So I'm going to start by making the number 142. So I'm going to draw a box to represent my hundreds. I'm going to draw lines to represent my tens. So I need 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need 2 small circles to represent my ones. I'll put a plus sign in the middle, and then I'm going to represent the number 179. So here I have 1 box again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. The reason I drew my tens like this is because I like to organize my tens, hundreds and ones, in groups of 5, so it makes it easier for me to count quickly. So I have 7 tens and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can see, I also organized my ones by making a group of 5 and then putting the rest underneath. So now it is time to add these together. So I see that my answer, I have 2 hundreds, so that's going to give me hundreds, 200. So I know right now I have 200 here. I'm going to erase this because we don't know yet. So then I have, let's see, I have 7 tens, plus 3 tens will give me 10 tens, which is 100. So that's another 100. And then I have 1 10 left over that I'll bring here. Now I have 9 ones plus this other one will give me 10 ones. So I have another 10 stick. And then I have one left over. So our number, once again, is 321. And that is our answer. So those are the 2 strategies that you can use today. As you can see, I drew circles to make groups of 10 so that I knew I used all of those 10s and 1s. And then I also could see what was left over. So choose today whether you prefer to use the base 10 physical blocks or you prefer to write out your strategy. The choice is yours. Good luck today on your assignment.